a widget, we can edit the text. We have the input, the drop down here. But notice that even though I changed the drop down, now it doesn't change, right? That's the same reason why before the title could not change, right? Because it was tied to the value of the state of the widget, right? And the only way to change it was to put in a this.setState and actually update the state, right, with the value that we read from the target. So same thing here. When we change it, we need to capture the new value and change the state of the widget that we're editing. So let's do that. Let's what we're going to do is that if it changes on change, if this changes, we're going to take the event, which is going to have our target, right? We're going to grab the new value. So we're going to say const new size. It's going to be the e.target.value. Now the problem with this value is that by default this value is always a string, okay? Or it could be a string. More likely it's a string. So let's make sure to convert it into the right data type. So we're going to do parse int. Parse int is a standard JavaScript function that casts strings into integers, right? Even if it's a double point, a floating point value, it will truncate and will give you an integer. And so now we have the new size. Now we can update the state and set the state with the previous state. We can say that we're going to say we're going to update the widget. We're going to copy over all the old widget, and we're going to override the size to be the new size. Okay, right. So if we go back and refresh and edit this, now we can change the size. See that? Okay. All right. All right. Well, now we can change it. We can actually change it. We still need to, when we click on save, for instance, we have to go back to the server, re-update, reload, re-render, all that. Well, no, before it wasn't changing. Now it is. Just like this before was not changing, and now it is. Okay.